Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the primer cover on your leaf blower, make sure the engine has cooled and the on-off switch is in the off position. We recommend performing this procedure with little or no fuel in the tank. Unthread the wing nuts counterclockwise to detach the air filter cover. Remove the air filter. Use a T27 Torx bit to unthread the two mounting bolts, securing the filter base and carburetor. You can use pliers to help detach the throttle cable. Note the orientation of the fuel lines, then detach them from the carburetor ports. Using a small Phillips head screwdriver, unthread the 4 screws to release the old primer cover. Before you install the new primer cover, confirm the gasket, diaphragm, and primer body are aligned on the carburetor. Now insert the primer bulb into the new cover, then align the cover and thread the 4 screws. Reinstall the carburetor by first attaching the fuel lines to the appropriate ports. Hook the throttle cable onto the lever. Make sure the baffle is in place in the air filter base. Then insert the bolts. Position the carburetor intake gasket on the bolts. Align the carburetor, followed by the outlet gasket. Now position the assembly and thread the mounting bolts. Replace the air filter. Realign the filter cover and thread the wing nuts to secure. Refill the fuel tank if necessary, and your leaf blower should be ready for use.